Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talking about divided by two-digit numbers. Example number 1, you have 831 divided by 42. The first step in long division we have divide. After divide we have multiply, after multiply we have subtract, and the last step is bring down, and after bring down you have to go back to the first step. And then we have 831 divided by 42. So we have to start from the first number at left. 8 divided by 42 we can. So we have to take these two numbers. 83 divided by 42. So how many 42s are in 83? We have only one. 1 times 42 equal to 42. After multiply you have subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. After subtract we have bring down. You have to bring down 1. And then after bring down you have divide. 411 divided by 42. So how many 42s are in 411? For finding how many 42s are in 411, we can use multiplication. We have to write the divisor 42, and then we have to multiply this 42 by a number and try the numbers until we get 411 or we get a number less than 411. So you can start multiply this number by 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We have to regrouping. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 equal to 21. So 210. We have 411. 210 is really smaller than 411. So instead of 5, this time I'm gonna multiply this number by 7. 7 times 2 is 14, and 7 times 4 is 28 plus 1 equal to 29. 294. Again, this number is really smaller than 411, so I'm gonna try 9. 42 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 1 equal to 37. So we get 378. If we try 10, we will get 420. So 420 is greater than 411. So the suitable number is 378. So 411 divided by 42 equal to 9. And then 9 times 42 equal to 378. 378, and then you have to subtract. This one become 11, and this one becomes 0. 11 minus 8 is 3, and this 0 become 10, and this 4 become 3. 10 minus 7 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the quotient is 19, and the remainder is 33. We have a check step. In check step we have to multiply divisor by the quotient. 19 times 42. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. We have to write 0. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Now we have to add the product. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7. and then we have to add with the remainder 33. 8 plus 3 is 11, we have to regroup in. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, we have to regroup in. 1 plus 7 is 8. We have 831 and the dividend is 831. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 2, we have 24,613 divided by 24. First we have divide. 24 divided by 24 is 1. 1 times 24 equal to 24. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. We have to bring down 6. 6 divided by 24, we don't have any 24 in 6 because 6 is less than 24. We have to write 0 in the quotient. 0 times 24 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6, and then we have to bring down 1. Now we have 61. 61 divided by 24 is equal to 2. 2 times 24 equal to 48. This one become 11 and 6 become 5. 11 minus 8 is 3 and 5 minus 4 is 30. After that you have to bring down the last number 3. 133 divided by 24. We can use multiplication for finding how many 24s are in 133. We have 24 multiplied by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. We have 96 and this one is 133. 96 is smaller than 133, so I'm gonna try 5. 24 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 equal to 12. I'm gonna try 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 is 40. 144. We have 133, so we can't take 6. 5 is a suitable number, and then 5 times 24 equal to 120. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the quotient is 1025 and the remainder is 30. And then we can check. You have to multiply 24 by 1025. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. We have to regroup in. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 times 1 equal to 4. We have to write 0. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times 1 is 2. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 5, 6, 4 plus 0 is 4. 2. And then we have to add with remainder. Remainder is 13. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6, 4, 2. 24,613, and the dividend is 24,613. It means our quotient is correct. And then example number 3, we have 74,078 divided by 75. First, 740 divided by 75. I'm going to use in multiplication for finding. 75 multiplied by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 3 equal to 52. So I'm gonna try 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 4, 67. When we try 75 multiplied by 10, we get 750, but in here we have 740, so 9 is suitable number. 9 times 75 equal to 675, and then you have to subtract. This 0 become 10 and 4 become 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 become 13 and 7 becomes 6. 13 minus 7 is 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. After that you have to bring down 7. 657 divided by 75. So 9 is suitable number because 9 times 75 equal to 600. Sorry, we can't take 9 because 9 times 75 equal to 675. 675 is greater than 657, so 8 is suitable numbers, and 8 times 75 equal to 600. 7 minus 0 is 7, 5 minus 0, and then we have to bring down the last number 8. 578 divided by 75 is 7. 7 times 75 equal to 525, and then you have to subtract 7. 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So the quotient is 987 and the remainder is 53. Example number 4, we have 458 divided by 12. First, we have 4 divided by 12 we can. So you have to take these two numbers. 45 divided by 12 is 3, because when we write 4 times 12 equal to 48. 48 is greater than 45. So 3 is a suitable number. 3 times 12 is 36. This 5 become 15 and 4 become 3. 15 minus 6 equal to 9. 3 minus 3 is 0, and then you have to bring down 8. Now we have 98 divided by 12 equal to 8, because 8 times 12 equal to 96. 8 minus 6 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0. So the quotient is 38 and the remainder is 2. Example number 5, we have 8,123 divided by 17. First, 81 divided by 17 is 4, because 4 times 17 equal to 68. You have to subtract. This one become 11 and 8 becomes 7. 11 minus 8 is 3. 7 minus 6 is 1, and then you have to bring down 2. Now we have 132 divided by 17. I'm gonna finding by multiplication. We have 17 multiplied by 9. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 6 equal to 15. 153. We have 132. So 9 is more. So I'm gonna try 8. 8 times 7 equal to 56. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 5 is 13. 136. Again we have 132, so 8 is more. So 7 is suitable number. 7 multiplied by 17 equal to 190. This to become 12 and 3 become 2. 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. After that you have to bring down the last number 3. 133 divided by 17. If we write 8 times 17 equal to 136, so 8 is more. Again 7 is suitable number. 7 times 17 equal to 190. This 3 become 13 and this 3 become 2. 13 minus 9 equal to 4. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the quotient is 477 and the remainder is 14. Another example, example number 6. We have 12,362 divided by 25. First, we have 123 divided by 25. We have 4, because when we write 5 times 25 equal to 125. 125 is greater than 123, so suitable number is 4. 4 times 25 equal to 100. 3 minus 0 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0. And then you have to bring down 6. 236 divided by 25. 4 times 25 equal to 100. 8 times 25 equal to 200. And 9 times 25 equal to 225. So 9 is suitable number. 9 times 25 equal to 225. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. After that you have to bring down the last number 2. We have 112 divided by 25. 4 times 25 equal to 100, so 4 is suitable number. 4 times 25 equal to 100. And then you have to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the quotient is 494 and the remainder is 12.